Welcome to Why Paint Pastels. I'm Yvonne, and today we're going to talk about what is the blackest graphite pencil we can find. Over the last couple months, I've been doing a drawing in between other projects and got to the point where I knew I needed to add some additional layers of black to the drawing, but found that none of the pencils I had could do that without pressing hard into the drawing, thus scoring the painting itself. In hand, I had the Royal pencils 5H to 5B. So I went to Blix to round out my set and get the blackest black I could find. We're here at Blix and we're going to go in and get a few pencils and things we need. In my excursion to Blix, I picked up 6B through 9B from Caran d'Ache and two other 9Bs, one from Durant and one from Faber-Castell. H stands for hard, and the numbers indicate the hardness of the lead, with 1 being the least hard and 5 being the hardest lead. Conversely, B stands for black, with 1 being the hardest, all the way to 9B being the softest lead, giving us the blackest black. There is also a 9XXB out there, but it was not at the store, and I'll order it so we can check it out in the future. We've established a graph depicting light, medium, and hard pressure from the hardest 5H to the softest 9Bs. We've created figures with each pencil, beginning each figure with the soft pressure and ending at the bottom of the figure with hard pressure. The pencil's capabilities are shown here by using the side of the lead, making hash marks, random circles, and repeated overlapping strokes. Now that we've seen the full spectrum of what these pencils can do, we're ready to add the last layers of black to the drawing and experience the results together. We've added the final layers to our drawing using our new soft pencils, giving us the contrast and definition we were looking for. Go to ypaintandpastels.com where you'll see my videos, products, and gallery. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and leave a comment if there's some product or process you'd like for me to cover in the future. There are links to products below. Until next time, get out there because life's a medium.